Was your home hit by a recent hailstorm, resulting in shingles, leaks, peels, holes, dented siding, and other property damages to your roof in the Twin Cities metro area? If yes, then you have plenty of questions. Will you be able to file a roof hail damage insurance claim? Are the rates going to go up? And since you cannot assess the damage from the ground, especially in the case of missing flashing in the crevices of your roof, it's important to call in the experts before another storm rattles your roof. This is where we come in. Introducing Viking Contractors LLC, a GAF-certified roofing contractor providing start-to-finish assistance with hands-on experience repairing local weather-related roofing issues. We not only specialize in roof storm damage repair, we offer free inspections of homes in the Twin Cities metro area after any storm. How? Our professional hail damage roofing contractors will arrive at your home at your convenience to conduct a free inspection to assess roof hail damage and your siding, doors, windows, and any other areas impacted by the storm. They'll also evaluate your entire home for storm-related property damage, including damage from hot and cold temperatures that may not be initially obvious. And as for the insurance claim, you would only need to pay the deductible. That's right. When you work with us, the insurance company pays the claim, and you don't need to pay a dime for our residential roof repair services. Our roofing contractors bill the insurance company directly, with no cost falling to you except your deductible. When you partner with us, we'll consider you a part of the family and stop at nothing to ensure your roofing system is up. When you hire us, you never have to worry about any roof repair cost except your deductible. That's our promise to you. Call now to schedule a free hail damage roofing inspection from one of our storm and roof hail damage experts. Viking Contractors LLC. We do it right every time.